Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and this is the Silva Challenge. It's been a hot minute since I've done a video, especially about diecast, and Jim approached me and asked if I would be his 37th participant in the Silva Challenge, which is to essentially build either a science fiction theme or Gasland style post-apocalyptic theme out of a box of crap that he has kicking around his shop and he's trying to get rid of. And it's brilliant because we all, as customizers, have boxes and boxes of crap we'll never use, but we don't want to really want to throw it away. So he found a great way to get rid of all his crap, and kudos to him for that. So I'm sure you've seen his boxing. This is the unboxing, so I'm not going to go crazy. Make sure you go back and watch his video, and you'll get a more in-depth look of the crap he decided to send me. So I broke the seal, but I haven't opened it yet. So I'm going to dump everything out because, again, I saw what he put in here. And this is everything he sent. Of course, the first thing that pops out is this bus. And the bus is symbolic of a past failure that I've had that Jim never fails to remind me of. A few years ago, Jay over at JDC had a pink slip type challenge with a bunch of cars we all built, and we rolled dice, and it was like a drag race. And I built this killer car, looked awesome, looked fast, and the first race I got taken out by a bus. So not only did he send me a bus that I'm going to destroy with a fricking sledgehammer when I get to work, but back then he also sent me this coffee mug that I use regularly. It says, "Did anybody get the name of that bus?" And then I was knocked out of the 2022 JDC Pink Slips Invitational. So I have this, and I use this cup every day as a reminder of how much I hate Jim and how much I hate buses. So if I think of it when I go to work and I get my sledgehammer on a metal table to this bus, I will make sure to post either the video or the aftermath. So once again, thank you. We've got everything from a boat to, I love vans. I've probably got 30-40 vans of this style. I don't know if I'm going to, I actually have no clue. Even though I watched the video, I have no clue what I'm going to use. You can use one or all. I mean, you can kind of do whatever you want with this challenge, but you got to use at least the castings and stuff that he sent you. And there's a lot of cool things in here. I have no idea what this is. I don't know if it's his pill dispenser thing. I don't know. Jim's old, so this could be a dialysis thing. I have no idea. Or back from his rotary phone that he probably still uses. What else we got? I've got, from I think it's what is it? The Bone Speeder or whatever it is. This guy's pretty cool. I actually like him. I got guns. I got rubber wheels, like reel, so you'd put thread on. I got guns. I got a screaming banana eagle thing. Cool combi, one of the castings I despise, but they are kind of cool, I guess, if you like that kind of thing. Chevelles, because he knows I'm partial to Chevelles. Again, I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or not. Science Friction, which I actually love this casting. It's one of my favorites from growing up. Chances have it, I have a good feeling I might use this. Again, I have no idea. I just, you can use some of it, all of it. I got a bunch of skulls. It looks like a Mustang hood. This is good for armor if you're going to do some sort of a Gasland style thing. This gate is off the K7s from a Matchbox. That's cool. We got tank treads, which everybody loves tank treads. Looks like an Anglia. Let's see. A keypad from his old Nokia phone. Painted up. These things look kind of cool, almost like a turret. There's a full keypad here. So a helicopter with only 2 blades from the Island of Misfit Toys. Was this a Unimog? I have no idea. An off-road vehicle. This would be a good chassis for something. This I'm fascinated with. I like this because I like the bucket. It's a nice bucket, and this could definitely have a way into this build. Armor plates. Looks like the top of a bone shaker. Some random, I don't know, it looks like teeth. I have no idea. Chevelle wagon, which is really cool. I mean, this thing's pristine, so I'm not even sure how I want to use this. Circuit board, which this would be awesome. I think this is actually perfect as it is. More guns, wheels, and looks like bull horns. Cattle catcher. Another style. Rear bumper like a tombstone. Random piece he probably just threw in here. Looks like part of a sprue. Missiles. Bottles. Again, random trash that he had probably kicking around on his bench. Some skulls. And Jim sent me his wiener, which is nice to actually have in front of me. And it does match the size of all the pictures that he sent me unsolicited. So I'm going to do something special with this, and I'm going to send Jim's wiener back to him because I'm not sure that I feel comfortable handling it as I am. So, but I'm definitely going to do something with this. There's going to be some sort of wiener death mobile or something. So this will be like an extra part of the build. And with all these pieces, I'm going to put a bunch of crap on Jim's wiener and send it back to him. And he can display it proudly like he usually does, except this time it'll be a lot cooler. So other than that, this was just a quick video. I am back to doing videos again after a very long hiatus. I'm working on a bone shaker right now. I got another project after this one to do with somebody else that has a YouTube channel. And then I've got an old Hot Wheels red line that I've got to restore for a friend of mine's son who's autistic. He collects Matchbox and Hot Wheels, and he documents it all and stuff, so I think that'd be kind of a cool project. I'm not a big restorer. I like hacking crap up instead, but I do have all the stuff to do this. So other than that, this is just a quick video, and glad to be back. Hope you guys watch and haven't forgot about me, but if you have, that's okay. I'm perfectly fine, and it's well deserved. So other than that, I will catch you on the next one.